Hey guys, in this video we're gonna create a nice menu with a nice box shadow and we'll set a background for it. Now when you hover it, it move up and get a nice effect. And now for circle and a square, as you can see it, we add the same box shadow and the background is black. But when we use a night mode, the circle and the square become light. So if you're ready, let's do it. Okay, first step is creating HTML. I create a div hero and inside it, first let's create header. And in a header, we create a logo and the list of a nav menu. Now for the logo, let me type it logo with H1. And for the nav, first list home, second list work, third list about, and the fourth list content. Next is the content. Let's add a little title for it. So H3 let be a welcome to my website, and H1 be I'm UX UI designer, and for the P let's type be feel free to see our work. Okay, good. Now let's start main thing, and that is real menu. Okay, I create a menu and inside it, first menu, which is this on and off it when we click on it. The menu let be this. I use ion icon. You can go to the website of ion icon to copy and paste it. Now next is create a menu icon div. Inside it, for link. First is a home, second is a work, third is about, and the fourth is a contact. Like a first step when we create a nav. Now let's add a dark mode icon too. So we done HTML. Before we go to the style.css, first is add a script and the link of the style sheet. So I add a script and the source be app.js and the link style sheet be style.css. Okay, let's do it. First, let me add a star, margin 0, padding 0, and the box sizing be a border box and the font be a poppiness. Now we can start the CSS. Let me add a body, the color be a black to let all fonts be a black in a body. Okay, hero, width be 100% and the height be 100 ph to create a main box of the website, and let the position be a relative for create a square and circle, and the last code is overflow x hidden because in this video we not create a media for the phone and tablet, so we need overflow x hidden. Okay, we create a nice box for the hero. Next is a header, add display flags, justify contact, be a space between, and a line item be a sentence. Now let's add a padding to not spend more time for the header. So let a padding be a 40 pixel and 10% and position be relative. Forget a before of a menu, but the main our goal is this menu. So let's skip it. Okay, logo, let the font size be a 2.5. Okay, and let's add a span in this word of go. So for the span, let the color be a this. For nav menu, text decoration be a none. Padding be a 10 pixel, 30 pixel, margin be a 0 pixel and 10 pixel. Now let's go for content. Now the content be a position absolute, top 15% and the left 10%, transform translate y be a minus 15%. Okay, H3 font size be 1.6 rem, font weight 500, margin bottom 10 pixel, line height 35 pixel, and let's add max width 500 pixel. Now you may ask why we add a max width. I don't know, just for fun. Now for H1, font size be a 2.5 rem, font weight 600, and the margin bottom be a 10 pixel. Let's add a little spacing to add a space for the words. Nice. Okay. For the P, font size be a 1.3 rem, font weight 500, margin bottom 10 pixel, line height be a 35 pixel, and the max width be a same 500 pixel. Done. Let's go for the main for creating this video. First I create a menu, and the last we will create a square and circle with the night mode. Call a menu in a CSS and add the position be a fixed, background be a white, bottom be a minus 10 pixel to go bottom, and the left be a 0. width be a 70% instead of 100%, and for the height be a 50 pixel. Now let's add display flex, justify content, center, align item, center. Okay, for the box shadow, first is add 25 pixel and 15 pixel and 35 pixel. Of this RGB, 25% of black color. Next, just copy and paste it again. Now for inset, to let a color be inside it, 5 pixel, 0 pixel, 10 pixel of RGB 50%, minus 5 pixel, 10 pixel, again RGB 50%. Let's adding inset color white, so 30 pixel, 10 pixel, 35 pixel, and 10 pixel of RGB 20%. Here we go, we get this box shadow. Now border top right radius be a 15 pixel for just right side of the menu. Okay, let's go for the first menu. The first menu be a position fixed, left 50 pixel. Now let's go next. Now for all icon, let's type a menu with ion icon, and inside it, font size be a Turan, color be a black, margin 0, 10 pixel, padding 20 pixel, 20 pixel, 30 pixel, and 20 pixel. Border top left 30 pixel, and the border top right 30 pixel. Now let's just copy background and the box shadow and paste it here. Very beautiful and nice. Now for menu icon div that we created here, add a position fixed, display flex, justify content be a center, and align item be a center, and let the left be a 20% to go left. Okay, we create a nice menu. Now let's create a square and circle, and the last step is a dark mode. Okay, let's create a hero before, content be empty, position be absolute, and the top be a 25%, and the left be a 29%. Now for transform, translate minus 15% and a minus 15% with a rotate 20 degree. Now for the width be a 200 pixel, and the height also be a 200 pixel. Box shadow be the same, but the background let the color be black, so hashtag 24, 29, 30. Here we go, it's beautiful. Let's add the border radius 20 pixel. Now for circle, copy this and paste it. Let the hero before be a hero after, and for the top be a 75%, and instead of the left let me a right 60%. Let's add a border radius be a 50% to be a circle, and our mission is complete. Wait, why circle? Oh, I add a 60% to the right, let me a 16%. Sorry, and let's add a z-index too. Oh, about the hover effect, first I create a menu before, for when we hover menu, it change a background and the box shadow be black. So menu before, content empty, position absolute, top 50%, and let the left be a minus 150%. Transform, translate minus 50%, minus 50%. Now for the width be 100% and the height be the same 50 pixel. Now the background to be a black, the color is hashtag 24, 29, 30, and the box shadow be the same. Now just copy and paste it, and let add a border top right radius 15 pixel, and the z-index be a -1. And for effect hover, let add a transition and be as simple in just 2 seconds. No need to use a cubic bezier, but I will show you in my next lesson how to use a cubic bezier effect. Now let's create a menu hover before. Now when we hover a menu, we want this before, that is a left minus 150% be a 50% to go to the same place. So just add a left be a 50%. Let's go for ion icon hover. So we copy menu ion icon and paste it and add the hover. Okay, copy this background with this box shadow to be a black, and let the color of icon be a white. Now let's icon go up, so transform, translate Y be a -10 pixel. Okay, transition animation icon not working. Wait, oh, I didn't add the transition in menu ion icon. And let's say once again. And about a minute before transition, I see animation before is not working. What happened? Oh, I set a transition in a menu, not a minute before, and add it here. And wait, I think I add the radius. Oh, let the radius of icon be 30 pixel. And let at the bottom minus 10 pixel in a menu icon div. What's happening again here? I think I add a wrong code in a menu. Let the bottom be a 0, not a minus 10 pixel. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I just created a video too fast, and let's continue guys, my bad. Okay, very good. It's time to set animation guys. And for that, you need to know this. First, if you want to move a box or anything with animation, don't use a top or left. Instead, just use a transform to move anything in animation. You can see difference between this one and this. If we use a top and left or bottom or right, we get shit animation. So always remember, when you want to move something, use a transform. Second thing, we're gonna use 6 number in animation. Okay, first is 0%, which is the point of the start. 25% to move a little down, and 50% to go in the right, and 75% to go to the top. And we use 51% and 76%. Now why we need a 51% or 76%? I will explain every step to use this trick, and every time you want to add animation, you will enjoy it. So let's do it. First, I go with the hero before. So I give animation, I name it Kimi, 15 seconds, linear, forwards, infinite. Okay, keyframes, Kimi, the first 0% BSM transform, just copy and paste it. 25% we decrease it to minus 250% to go left, and 120% to go down, and add rotate as you love it. Now let's go 50%, add 500% to go right, and 130% little go down, and also add a little rotate. Now here I use 51%, so I just copy this and paste it. You can add a new animation like a scale or a skew. Let's use a skew in another video, so I use a scale in this video, and I will set it into 1.5. So question, why we didn't add in a 50%? Let me show you instead of talking. So this is a difference between using a scale in 50% and 51%. As you can see, the scale animation will be a normal, because when you add a scale in 50%, and that means 25%, it starts to set this square to 1.5 scale when a square reach 50%. The whole point is a scale animation start from 25%. So we add 51% to let this square become like a bomb, as you can see it here. So if you understand it, let's continue. Okay, next is a 75%. 420% for the first one, and minus 140% to go up and rotate 40 degrees. And don't set a scale. If you set a scale, that means animation scale continue in 75%. So we don't want that. Next animation is a 76%. We just copy and paste it and set a new scale to be on 2.0, and boom, nice. And the last is a 100%, which is the same of a 0%. Hope you really love animation and learn it easily. Okay, let's do the same with the circle animation, but let's create a new animation. So let the animation name be Kimi2, just copy and paste it, and now in a new animation, 0% and 100% be the same, and 25% transform translate 150% and minus 220%. In a 50% transform translate minus 300% and 330%, and the 51% transform translate minus 300% and 330%, just like the same, and let the scale be 1.5. And now for 75% of animation, transform translate minus 420% and minus 140%. And let add the 76 and let me copy and paste it and add the scale be 2.0. So last step is a dark mode. Let's go for the night mode. Let's go for JavaScript. I will teach a JavaScript, but I don't know if I am good teacher about. So let's the first menu, document query selector dot first menu. So I create a JavaScript for this name and set a new name for it, and let a menu document query selector dot menu and a new name for a menu for this little box that have icon. So last step, first menu on click be a function, so that when click on the first menu, we want to create a system for it to add something amazing. Let's say function is the same system, and let me continue listen. Inside the function be a menu class list toggle active, and this when you click on little HTML that we have it here, it create a new system and added a new class in the first menu. Now when we click a menu, first menu active added as you can see here. And before we go in CSS, let's add the dark mode quick to the style dark mode. I spent too much for explaining, so let me finish it. Okay, let me type it fast. War content document get elementary by tag name body 0 bar dark mode document get elementary by ID, and let me add in this icon of HTML and ID be a dark change. Let it added here in a JavaScript. Now for function dark mode add event listener click function. It is same as first one, just we use a var and add event listener. Now inside the function be a dark mode class list toggle active, content class list toggle be a night. Now everything is a set. Let's go in a CSS to finish a video. So when I click in the icon of a night, class list night added in this body. So let's go CSS. First code type body night, the color be a white and the background be a black, hashtag 24 29 13 to be a black. Next is a body night nav lia to change a color and the color be a white. Next just change a background of the hero before and the hero after, and let be a white and the box shadow be a same. Just change RGB color. Now let me just copy the original box shadow and paste it here, and instead of a black color of the RGB, set it into white to have a light in this our box shadow. Now just for the last inset, we don't need to change it, keep it black. Done. Next is a menu, body night menu. Copy this background and the box shadow and paste it here because we want to be a black, and for hover body night menu before be a background white and this light box shadow that we added here, or you can add the first box shadow that we use in the first lesson as we added here to give it a little black to up, but I go with this because it's too light and not good. Okay, last is add a body night menu ion icon. Copy and paste it, and the color be a white, and I want to be a light and not a dark. The background be a white and the box shadow be a light color. And here we go. Now for hover be a this box shadow. Now I think a circle is too bright. Oh, last box shadow be a black, and now good, yes. Well, before to say goodbye, for who doesn't know how to use active menu JavaScript, let me just create it fast. Menu active be a width 0 pixel, and menu active menu icon that we have here, let the bottom be a minus 100 pixel. That's it. Or you can let all icon be a down, and when click on a menu, the all icon come up. This is another way, and to show you how to do this, it's easy guys. Just instead of a menu icon that we have bottom minus 10 pixel, set it to minus 100 pixel. And for a menu, let the width be 0%. Okay, good. And now in this menu active, let the width be 70%. And the menu active menu icon, let the bottom be a minus 10 pixel. And yeah, this is everything we need to create this. And we're done it, guys. If you love our video, make sure to check our news with YouTube or our Telegram and Discord. And hope you learn everything including animation. And I see you in my next video, guys. Bye.